this lesson today, we're going to learn about 5 different words. And those words are going to be pen, man, ten, hen, and den. And what I want you to do is, I want you to listen to the sounds. I'm going to give you these squares, and you're going to move them up to hear the sounds for every sound, okay? The red ones are going to be for the regular letters, which we call consonants. Can you say consonants?
Consonants.
Good. And the yellow square is going to be for the vowels. Can you say vowels?
Vowels.
Does anybody know our vowels? Do you know all our vowels? What's our first vowel? Does anybody know?
Here.
It's A. A. What's our next vowel?
B.
E. E. And what's our next? I, O, and U. Very good. Those are our vowels, okay? So when you hear any of those vowels, then you're going to know if it's an A, an E, an I, an O, or a U. You're going to move the yellow square, okay? If it's any of the other letters, you're going to move the red squares. Does everybody understand?
Yes.
All right, let's try some. Now I want you to move them up when you hear those sounds. All right, here we go. The first one, the first word we're going to use is man. Everybody move the word for man. The first sound is Good job. Now what I want you to make sure you're doing is you're moving left to right, okay? Left to right. So you're going to move the left to the right. Does everybody understand that? All right, here we go. Let's try another word. Move your squares back. All right, let's try this one. 10. Good job. Give yourself a pat on the back. That was beautiful. All right, move your squares back. Let's try another word. Pan. Good job. You're getting it. All right, move those squares back. Let's try another one. Dan. Awesome. You did an awesome job. High five, everybody. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right. All right, push those to the side. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to show you some letters. And we're going to spell those words together. All right, so the first one I gave you was man. Okay? Let's spell man. How do you think you spell man? What's the first sound? Okay, what's the first letter you hear in man? And what's the sound? What's the letter? M. All right, and then the next sound is E. What's the middle sound for E? The middle letter is E. And then what's the last letter in men? Let's do it. We're going to put them together, squeeze them up together. Here we go. And man. All right, what's the first word? Oh, we just put those up there. All right, the next one we're going to try is 10. 10. Now let's figure out, how do we spell 10? What's the first sound?
T.
The first letter is T, but what's the first sound? And the T is a T. All right. All right, what's the middle sound? E. And the E is a what? E. And what's the ending sound? And the is a what? All right, let's squeeze them together. And then our word is T. And 10. All right. All right, the next word we're going to do is hand. Okay? Hand. All right, now, what's the first sound in hand?
H.
H. But what's the H sound? You know, like you're blowing on your breath? Very good. All right. Now, what's the first sound and the letter for hand? What's the first letter?
H.
And what's the middle sound?
E.
What's the sound? Yes. And that is an E. And what's the last sound? All right, and that's it. All right, let's squeeze that together. And now we have N. Hen. Awesome job. Last one. Dan. N. All right, what's the first letter in Dan?
D.
What's the middle letter?
E.
What's the end letter?
N.
N. Let's squeeze those together. Dan. N.
Dan.
All right, we're gonna do, let's start our iPads up. Ooh, iPads. All right, before we start, you can go ahead and pass me your square.
How do you change colors? Can you change colors? Oh,
Well, you can change the colors on Doodad, but Miss Belcher is going to leave them on blue so that everybody has the same color, okay? All right, this is going to test you, okay? I want you to be very good listeners. Are you listening? Let me see those ears listening. Good job. The first word we're going to spell is man. Let me see if you can spell man. And just use your finger there. All right, everybody hold them up and let me see what you got. Man. All right, let me show you a good way to learn how to erase when you're using these. You see an eraser down there? Here you go, the trash can. And you press clear and it erases it. And then you can start again. Okay, good job. M-E-N, man. Hen. Hen. And then hold up. Good job. Give yourself a pat on the back. Hen. Go and erase that. Go ahead and erase that. And then you're going to write 10. Let's see. Awesome sauce. Good job. All right, erase that. You're going to write pen. Good job. You okay, Brinkley? Let's see how you're doing. Awesome sauce. Give yourself a pat on the back. You did pen. Last word. Are you ready?
Yep.
Dan. D-N. Let's everybody look at Alex. Alex, that is a word you made, and that's a good job because that word is bend. When we make our D, we're going to turn the other side, okay? See that? Did good, though, because you did spell a word. Let's try it the other way. See that way? All right, and D-E-N. Good job. All right, go ahead and clear those.
I already did.
Awesome.
I spelled din.
All right, pass those to me.
Bin. I
Thank you.
didn't erase it yet.
That's okay. I can erase it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Alex.
You're welcome, my dear person.
All right. The reader we're going to read today is called The Red Hen.
Come on.
And if you will look at the very bottom, it has an author. The author is Nathan Aguilera. And the illustrator is Samantha Johnson. Nathan wrote the what? Words. And Samantha did what? Drew the pictures. All right, turn to page 2. Ariel, let's look at page 2 and see if you can read that first sentence for us.
Gets red hen bin.
Read the next one.
Red hen can go in the bin.
Awesome. Everybody, let's read that together. Get red hen bin. Red hen can go in the pen. Go to page 3. Don't turn. Just page 3. Haley, see if you can read that for us.
Red hen.
Sound it out.
Red.
Mm-hmm.
From bin.
Mhm.
Red hen. Hen.
Head. Here.
Here.
Good job, girl. Good job. Everybody, let's read that together. Red hen ran from bin. Red hen